Hi everyone! Today I sew the side seam pockets. I'll make it without an overlocker, just because I don't have one. All the seams in my pockets will be made with a French seam only. So, let's get started. It's the front and back panels of my dress, pocket opening and 2 pocket sets. At first, we need to press a strip of fusible interfacing to the front side of the front panel. Place one pocket bag and front panel with the right sides together. Match the notches. And pin it. These 2 lines are the width of the pocket opening. Draw another line at 15 mm 1/2 inch from the raw edge. Now I am sewing exactly along these lines. We need to trim down these seam allowances to 3-4 mm 1/8 inch and make notches in the corners. But be careful not to cut through the stitching. Turn the front panel and pocket to the right sides out and steam this seam with an iron. My fabric is very soft and I'll use basting many times, but if you feel confident, you could skip this step. Top stitch this part of the pocket about 6 mm 1/4 inch from the edge. This will cover the raw edge and help hold the pocket inside the garment. Next I match the notches and pin the front and back of the pocket with the front sides together. Now we need to sew the whole pocket around at 7 mm 1/4 inch from the edge. Press the pocket after stitching and trim down these seam allowances to 3 mm 1/8 inch. Then turn it the wrong side out. And I am basting again. Now I am going to sew at 6 mm 1/4 of an inch away from the previously stitched seam. Let's see how it looks. The pocket bag has no raw edge on the inside or outside. Next, I am going to join the front and back panels of my dress together with the French seam too. The first stitch runs along the right side of the dress at 7 mm 1/4 of an inch from the edge. As before, I need to trim down these seam allowances to 3 mm 1/8 inch. The second stitch should run next to the pocket opening line, but you will be sewing from the wrong side of the garment and you won't be able to see the line. I feel this line with my finger when I am sewing. You could also draw a stitch line on the wrong side to help yourself and make the seam perfect. So my pockets are ready. The wrong side looks pretty good. And pockets are almost invisible on the right side. It's time to try it on.